Hello to all of you participating in this EIP-AGRI seminar, dealing with such an important topic for the future of our agricultures and rural areas, the CAP strategic plans. My name is Mugurel Jitea, and I'm working as a full professor in the Department of Economical Sciences, part of the University of Agricultural Sciences and Veterinary Medicine from Cluj-Napoca, Romania. In the next minutes, I will speak about our work with the agribusiness sector that goes beyond academic purposes. As a general context, the universities and research institutes in almost all member states are financed based on a performance-based system. In such systems, bibliometrics, represented by publications number and journal impact factor, are important elements that condition the institutional budget. Researchers and research departments are thus evaluated based on their scientific publication rate and impact. This does not encourage them to respond directly to different farmers' needs, because farmers usually do not have important research funds. The first examples that goes beyond academic purposes is the Agro-Transylvania cluster. It is an associative structure created by a public-private partnership in Cluj County to respond to the increased demand for the local agri-food products. It used both European and national funds. One key objective from the beginning is to develop research adapted to the members' needs. The cluster started its activity in 2014 and reached today 100 members. Our university and other 5 institutions represent the research and education sector. It is a multi-actor group that deals with multi-product value chains. In this way, it became representative for the entire agribusiness sector in the northern part of Transylvania. This allowed to participate in different European and national projects about precision agriculture, circular economy, or alternative public policies, to mention only a few. For a researcher, such a structure can bring both monetary and non-monetary rewards. First of all, we can develop strong scientific publications, but also we can directly provide advice or training to farmers. Then we can lobby for alternative public policies that can bring societal recognition or improve personal satisfaction. The second example is about expanding a thematic network in the area of high natural value farming. These are low-intensive farming practices that support our rich biodiversity and beautiful cultural landscapes, among others. Over the past years, they are being threatened by intensification or abandonment. In the HMV-linked thematic network, a team of stakeholders coming from 11 member states identify innovations that can support such systems. Although the project is ending now, we are still providing advice to several cooperatives about how to implement some success stories like the milking collecting points or the mobile slaughterhouses. The main reason to do that is your personal satisfaction that can contribute to the preservation of traditions and biodiversity. Finally, I will present the Agriconsulting Club that was supported by Puiul de Crăiești, one of the biggest chicken meat producers in Romania, UBM Feed, East Grain Trader, and Antal Jolt Foundation. This student club support the most promising students from our university in building extracurricular experiences and networks. Each year, the selected ones develop a professional project supported by practitioners. For example, in the last year, they implemented a farm management software in an experimental farm. The most important reason for doing that is your personal contribution to the development of a strong network of innovator catalysts in Romania. Finally, I would like to thank you for your interest in these examples. I try to answer to your questions using chat. For further questions, please do not hesitate to write me by email. At the end, I thank the EIP-AGRI service point and all stakeholders. Those names wasn't mentioned here. Thank you all.